Changing your primary email on MoneyLion is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the MoneyLion website or open the app and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area of the app or website. Step 3. Select email preferences. Within the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email address, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to verify the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on MoneyLion will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to MoneyLion's customer support for assistance.